The curious case of crowing. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, crowing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it, and some common situations where you might encounter it. Let's get started. Crowing has roots in nature. When we think of crowing, the first image that might come to mind is that of a rooster. Every morning, roosters make a loud and distinct call. This call or sound is known as a crow. Hence, when a rooster makes this sound, we say the rooster is crowing. The beauty of languages is that they evolve, and words and phrases often develop new, figurative meanings. In English, crowing can also mean to brag or boast about something. For example, if someone constantly talks about their achievements in a proud way, we might say, "He's always crowing about his accomplishments." Here, it has nothing to do with roosters but implies that the person is making noise about their successes, much like a rooster making noise in the morning. Let's see crowing in action with some examples. 1. Every morning, the village was awakened by the crowing of roosters. Literal sense. 2. Sarah couldn't help crowing about her recent promotion at work. Figurative sense. 3. There's no need to keep crowing about it, Mike said when John mentioned his award for the 10th time. It's easy to confuse crowing with other words, especially when it's used in the figurative sense. Remember, crowing is different from growing. While both sound similar, growing is related to increase or development. Crowing is also distinct from crawling, which refers to moving on hands and knees. And there you have it. Crowing can refer to the sound a rooster makes or, more figuratively, to someone bragging about their achievements. Next time you hear this word, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep exploring the English language, and we'll be here to guide you along the way.